Now student, see this question from subtraction. What do we get when we subtract 1 from 9000? Here the question is asked, is it simple that when we subtract 1 from the 9000, that means here it is asked that -1, so we can another way also say the predecessor for this 9000. Yes. So we can write here the 8,999. So how this number comes? See, 9,000 minus 1. So 0 minus 1 not possible. So we borrow from this 1000 place. And so 10 minus 1, 9, 9, 9, 8. Yes. So we can another way also say that the 8,999 is the predecessor for this 9,000. Or another the simple way also we can say when we subtract 1 from the 9,000, then we get the 8,999. Now the next question is, what do we get when we subtract 799 from 7,979? Let us solve this here. 7979 minus 799. So students, be careful while putting the digit on the proper place. Here the 700 it is given. So we will write here, and this is nothing, so we assume that 0. Okay. 9 minus 9, 0. 7 minus 9 not possible. So borrow from the 100 place. 10 plus 7, 17 minus 9, 8. Here the 17 minus 9 we get as 8, remain number 8. 8 minus 7, 1. 7 minus 0, 7. So we will write here as the answer as 7,180. Yes. Next is 7,253 minus 6,148. So what is the? We have to do the subtraction. 7,253 minus 6,148. Here the regrouping method. 3 minus 8 not possible. So 13 minus 8 will remain 5. 4 minus 4, 0. 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1, 1 remain. 7 minus 6, 1 remain. So our answer is 1,105. Here also we subtract this 4-digit number. Here we subtract 4. Subtract by 3-digit number. Here the question is given, find the difference. The 4-digit number is given 5,256 minus 1,987. So here we are doing the subtraction and find the difference. Minus 1987. 6 minus 7 not possible. So we borrow from this tens place. Yes. Now 16 minus 7, 9 remain. 4 minus 8 not possible. So 14 minus 8. It will come 6 remain. 1 minus 9 not possible. So 11 minus 9, 2 remain, and 4 minus 1, 3 remain. So the difference we find as 3,269. We find the difference as 3,269. We subtract the 5,256 minus 1,987. We use here the borrow system, or we can say the regrouping method, and through this method we find the difference. Now the next is 669 minus 31. So this is the very easier. Yes. But this is the question from the subtraction by simple method. Yes. The simple method, what is that? We here the smaller number, we have expansion of them. So you remember this method as we are doing that 669 minus 31. While we are subtracting the smaller number, we expand this. So 669 minus 30 minus 1. Yes. So this is minus 1, we subtract first, or you can subtract this 30 first. So 6, here if I subtract this 30, that 669 minus 30. So 69 minus 30 is 39. So I will get here this answer as 669 minus 30, 639. Now I minus 1, I get this answer 638. Okay, so this is the breaking up method, subtraction by breaking the number. Yes, so we get here the 638 as a difference. Now the next question is 9397 minus 1000. So here the subtraction by 1000. So on the only the 1000 place value will change, reduce by the 1000. Reduce, that means we subtract by the 1000. So 9 minus 1, 8. Yes, and the remaining number same as, because we subtract by the 0. So the place value will not change. So 397. So we get here the answer difference is 8397. The next question is 5982 minus what that we subtract this. So we get the difference is 5882. Here 5982. So just observe this number. You will find that here the difference only on the place of 100. Yes, place of 100 only we get the difference. As remain the places of, see the 1000 place, the value is same. See the tens place and ones place, the values are same. So here on the place of the 100, it is only difference is what? 9 minus 8, 1. Yes, so now you get it. This, it is minus 100. Yes, see now check this answer, 5982 minus 100. So minus 100, that means on the 100 place we subtract by 1. So 9 minus 1, we get the remaining number as 8. So 5882, the other, that two places we put same as, and the 1000 place it is not mentioned, so we put at same as. So we get the difference only by the 100. So we write here the 100 on the blank. Now the next question is 3251 plus 4595 minus 5612. Here the simplify this question. When the question is given in the same addition and subtraction together. So first it is given the addition sign. So we will find the sum. 3251. We add with this number 4595. Yes. Now we add this 1 plus 5 6. 5 plus 9 14. 1 is carry forward. 1 plus 2 3. 3 plus 5 8. And 3 plus 4 7. So here we get here the answer as 7846. Now we continue for this. Next simplify this, subtract by this. So while you are writing on this side, that horizontal way, you can show this way. Okay? But just now I don't have the space, so I will continue this sum. Vertically I am doing this. 5 6 1 2. Now we subtract this. 6 minus 2, 4 remain, 4 minus 1, 3 remain, 8 minus 6, 2 remain, 7 minus 5, 7 minus 5, 2 remain. So here our final answer is, we find the difference between this number 2234. So here the final answer is 2234. Here we simplify this question while it is given the addition and subtraction together. Here it is the addition sign is given first. So we find the sum of, we add these two number, and whatever the sum we find, then after we do the subtraction and we subtract this 5612 and we get the difference as 2234. So students, here we completed our revision up to subtraction chapter.